I just got Canva Pro for free a year because I'm still a student. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to claim this rightful offer. So you can go to Google and search this up and click that one. It will lead you to this account and then you just gotta sign in GitHub using your university email. On the process, they will ask you to fill in a proof that you are a student, which has like a validity date until when you are a student. So in my case, so if you're from UKM like me, you can get it at SMP UKM and click at the Surat Pengesahan Pelajar. So this part, it shows you the validity of that email. So they want that one. If your student card has like a validity date until when you are a student, then you can just upload that. Just basically follow the guidelines that they have given. Then GitHub will send you, I don't know if it's GitHub or GitHub, whatever, send you an email and click that one. It will then lead you to this website and click on the 3 lines on the most right and student developer pack. It will then lead you to this virtual event kit. You just gotta scroll it a bit if you're using phone and click learn more. And you'll see Canva, get access by connecting your GitHub account on Canva. It will lead you back to this website and then you just claim the offer. That's just it. You'll get free Canva Pro for a year. So yeah, awesome assignment videos, materials are coming right up. Anyway, I'm not so sure how's the process for a teacher. I think it's about the same, but I'll probably try to experiment it on my sister since she's a lecturer. So yeah, good luck.